funny random video that I just found on the internet, which is kind of funny and kind of game related. And let me know how you guys like this, and let me know if you want to post something like this, similar to this, more often, like in future videos or such. But let's further ado, let's move on to the video.
I'm repelling. Whee! Oh my gosh.
What just happened there? Because I was confused. That's one way to actually waste your life, man. That's one way to waste your life. Now I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's actually GTA or other game or such. I'm not sure, but let's move on to the video.
Tree and die anyway.
Simple physics. I'm not sure if this is how physics works, sir. This is not a seesaw. This is just a simple physics question, and this is definitely not simple physics. Okay, this, I don't even know what kind of simple physics is this. Dude, the guy right there, literally just minding his own business and just walking around thinking this is just a simple physics, right? This is simple physics. What just happened? What is happening? They had one job, to make the game. This is what it is. Why? What is that actually? How is he able to kill so many people? He's definitely hacking, right? I think he's definitely hacking. I actually do not know what was happening there. If you guys have any clue what kind of was it, let me know. Also, there was a challenge with the Simple Physics Club. Let me know how many times I have said simple physics. That's a challenge for you guys. Let me know how many times I have said simple physics in that challenge. What is it happening? Why is he just standing there? Either the guy at the top needs to come down and kill him, or this guy needs to go up and kill him. That's just simple. Honestly, the amount of damage that guy at the bottom took, I thought that he's gonna die. Sometimes luck works with you. Sometimes luck works with you. But I actually don't know what I was just saying right now, but continue on.
Did he drop a smoke?
Did he drop the smoke? Nope. The pigeon just hey, sometimes you do not mess with the nature. You do not mess with the nature. And otherwise pigeon will come for you and kill you. What the hell? I didn't even know this would actually something happen like that either.
What's that f***ing pigeon?
Where is Drake at? Can you sell?
What was that actually? I actually don't know what was that. How that even supposed to happen like that? But as further ado, this was the smart part of the clip there's, I promise, there's plenty more where it came from. But as far as right now, that's the only thing I have recorded so far. Let me know how you guys like this video. Honestly, I was making some dumb jokes, but remember, there's a challenge in the middle of the video. Do not go away. Let me know how many times I have said simple physics, including now too. I mean, if you can want to count this one too, but let me know how many times I've said that. And further ado, that would be it. And see you guys later. Subscribe and like and subscribe down below. Let me know how you like this video. Awesome. Peace out.